In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up a to-do app in Notion, making the most of its template feature to streamline your daily tasks. This is going to be a clear, instructional walkthrough that will help you make the best use of Notion's features for organizing your to-dos effectively. First things first, let's get started by opening up your Notion application and heading over to your profile. On your Notion dashboard, you'll notice your profile icon at the top right corner of the interface. Click on this profile icon to access your account options. This is where a treasure trove of customization tools, settings, and templates awaits. Now, once you've accessed your profile, look for the Templates option. Click on Templates. Notion offers a fabulous range of templates, which are essentially pre-built designs and frameworks to get you started on different types of documents or databases without the need to build from scratch. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to save time and get a feel of how to structure your to-do list effectively using existing formats. With the Templates section open, you'll want to find the specific one for to-do lists. To do this, simply type "to-do" into the search bar within the Templates menu. You'll notice a few suggestions pop up. These templates have been expertly crafted to address varying needs and styles of productivity. Among these options, find and click on the Simple Weekly To-Do List. This template is especially nifty as it lays out not just a basic to-do list, but organizes it into a weekly view, making it easier to track and plan your tasks across each day of the week without overwhelming you with too much information. Finally, after selecting the Simple Weekly To-Do List, there's just one more step to make it yours. Click on the Add button. This will incorporate the Simple Weekly To-Do List into your Notion workspace instantly. You can now start populating it with your tasks, notes, or reminders directly. At this point, you've successfully set up a dedicated to-do app within your Notion workspace, and you can now personalize it further. Don't shy away from customizing it to better suit your preferences, whether that's adding deadlines, rearranging parts of the list, or inserting additional sections that help boost your productivity. So, there you have it, a quick, simple, and effective method to streamline your workload using Notion's built-in templates. I hope this has been helpful and inspires you to go forth and conquer your to-do lists with newfound efficiency. Happy organizing!